Hello guys, everyday air to Daniel. So today we're going to be discussing on the fact, does cracking your knuckles lead to arthritis or any joint problem? Well, there have been no research that linked cracking of knuckles to joint problem or arthritis. The noise made from cracking your knuckles is actually made from nitrogen bursting into your joint fluid. So it does not have any side effect or whatever for now. So if anybody tells you about it causing joint problem, you can lecture them on this. Follow me for more content. I'm everyday Daniel.